Well, it's official, folks. It's gone bad, and oh boy, has it gone bad. Down $142,000 today on Big Dog, the chef. The chef. Oh man, any restaurants hiring? Because I could be a chef if you want me to be a chef. Cause, oh man, we got to talk about so much in this video. We got to get into what's going on here, what's transpired, what I'm doing, along with so much more. But before we get into all that, I just want to announce Jeremy's liquidation sale. So I have a lot of things going up for sale here. That's jeremy'sliquidationsale.com. Enter code 15% off for 15% off any of these items. So selling a Tesla Model 3. Word is Elon Musk actually personally touched this car as it came off the line. 15% off. Has the white seats and everything. 15% off today and today only. Selling this Model X over here, this yellow one. If anybody's looking to buy this, 15% off today. Now you're thinking, wow, what is that in the background? Well, that's one of our other sales. It's a tankless water heater. So we have 2 tankless water heaters. That's so unnecessary. I'm selling one of those 15% off today. Hey, Lord knows I don't need a camera anymore because, I mean, when we have to file for bankruptcy, we just, this picture here, this is good enough, okay? So we're selling this Canon 80D. I don't really need that anymore. And then also this Canon 80D here as well. 15% off today and today only. Also going to sell this half-used Ortho Home Defense. It works really good, which is why I only have like 757,000 grasshoppers around my neck jumping around in the house. And yeah, so that works really, really good. Now, you know what? We'll just give that away free, okay? Ironing board? I don't think we really need that anymore. I mean, my wife irons my clothes, but if I'm not going to have a camera, why do I need an ironing board? So that today, 15% off. And last item here, and by the way, you have to stay to the end of the video because I'm actually going to sell a person in this video as well, okay? I'm selling a person, but that's going to be at the end of the video. That's the grand prize. But the last little item here is this. So, I switched it around. Whoopsies. So what I want is $40 for the financial education main play button from YouTube. I want $40 for financial education 2. And then millennial money, since it's a 4-way channel, I'll sell that to somebody for $10, okay? So yeah, that's jeremywentbroke.com, and you should be able to find those deals there, okay? Alrighty, so what have I done so far today? Well, yeah, I've done a slight bit of buying, okay? So as I said, I had my order get filled right at the open today. Well, actually, it looks like it had, well, that's when I put in the order, but it got filled at the open, and that was pretty much the highest the stock was the whole day, okay? Filled at 18.20 there, and from there, it just went bad. I woke up this morning, and yeah, I was set like $17 and some change, so I bought 2,000 shares, which was much bigger than I had originally anticipated. I was going to buy, like 25K. Well, this was a whole lot more than 25K, but the stock was a deal. Corsairs also was down today. So 27.06, I picked up 1,000 shares of that. Then I picked up 400 shares of the Chef because it went down to 17.19. And we're 2.5 hours away from the trading day being over. And I'm fully ready to buy more shares. So, the trading day is certainly not over by any stretch of the imagination. And I'm ready to buy more. So, if these stocks continue to weaken, whether that's Corsair or Tattoo Chef, I will continue to buy today. Now, I wasn't prepared for this. I'll be completely honest. I thought the shorts would try to play some games. They were playing some games after hours. I was ready for the shorts. I wasn't ready for the Wall Street longs to sell this stock. Look at the volume here today. This isn't just shorts, okay? This is Wall Street longs are selling out of this one. Look at this. Average volume 1.3 mil. We've had 7.8 million shares trade hands in 2.5 hours. Who's selling the stock? I just want to know, so they missed by $4 million. So that just that throws away the whole great investment, the whole investment thesis, the whole multi-years of growth ahead of this company. Just throw it right out because they missed by $4 million. Man, I don't know one great stock that hasn't missed a whole bunch of earnings. Not just one, but a whole bunch of earnings. And some by dramatic amounts. This company missed by $4 million. $4 million, and all of a sudden Wall Street wants to, the little bit of Wall Street money that was in the stock wants to sell out. Who's really selling the stock here today? With 2.5 hours left in the trading day, how many shares are going to trade hands? 10 mil plus? I just really, really, really want to know that. That's what I really, really want to know, okay? Because, it just doesn't make any dang sense. I don't understand, who would buy the stock if they were hoping for any sort of short-term numbers. This isn't a short-term play. Like, go play some other food company if you're going to play some short-term play. This just doesn't make sense. This is like a multi-year, if not a decade-long investment opportunity. And people are like, oh, man, and they missed by $4 million on revenue. I'm selling out. Man, I don't know. It's just crazy. But that's the stock market for you, and you get some deals, and obviously I'm taking advantage of those deals, and I'll continue to take advantage, but it's almost laughable to me. And it happens every single time, man. I think I averaged down on Tesla 8 to 10 times before that beast finally started going up. Pretty much every great stock I ever had, I had to average down several times on it. And so this one's no different. It's almost hilarious to me that because they missed by 4 mil, the stock sells off 15.58%. 7.8 million shares trade hands, and we still got 2.5 hours left in the trade day. It's just laughable, okay? That's a stock market for you, though. And, yeah, it's certainly just not the shorts playing games in this one. I guess it could be worse. I could own the honest company. Look at this one, down 27% here today. Oh, my word. That one's just vicious. Wow, down to $10. I mean, oh, man. Woo! I don't know. Maybe it's just all these stocks that are, I don't know. Man, that's just crazy. That's all I'll say about that. That one's a whole other level there. The Wish stock, I could own that one. That one's doing even worse. That one's down 18%, so I guess I should feel somewhat good. That one's rough. SoFi's doing a little better than the Chef here today. Down 14% on SoFi there. So, yeah, those ones are all very, very rough, needless to say. And it is what it is, okay? So, we are exactly 30 days away. I repeat, 30 days away from 2024 options coming out. Now, my list is as follows. The number one stock I'm still most interested in, as of today, for 2024 call options is Corsair Gaming. Yes, you heard me right. Corsair Gaming. That is my number one stock I'm interested in as of today. It's $27 roughly. That's my number one stock I'm interested in 2024 options. Now that the Chef has fallen so much, that one moved up the rankings to number 2 as the second stock I am most interested in buying 2024 call options when they come out in 30 days on, okay? That's number 2, and then number 3 would be Winning Resorts, which is like $96 a share, somewhere around there. Now, over 30 days, a lot can happen, right? I mean, 30 days, who knows? Maybe the Chef's at 15, maybe the Chef's at 22. I don't know. Corsair Gaming, who knows what's going to happen there? That one maybe has some selling pressure still around that big fund that's been trying to liquidate. So that one, I don't know about a big move there. But the Chef is so volatile, you don't know what to expect with that stock. I certainly don't know what to expect with that stock price in the short term. Apparently, every Wall Street long in the history of that stock wants to sell out today. Wynn Resorts, that can be volatile based upon the Rona numbers. So, this list can kind of move around. But as of today, that's the 3 in order I'm most interested in. Now, also, when it comes to Chef, I will be buying more and more of these shares if the stock continues to go down. Not just today, but over the next couple weeks. Obviously, we saw the big sell-off over the past couple hours. And I don't know if we're going to see anything past that, but if we do, I'll gladly continue to pick up shares of the stock as a long-term holder of that one, and it is what it is. If they want to keep selling me shares, I'll keep buying them, okay? And last liquidation sale here is Mr. Cole. So Cole loves a few things. He loves a few things, okay? He loves writing our daily newsletter. He can talk hockey with you. He loves beer. He loves driving around in his truck, okay? He also loves one of the past presidential candidates for the last election. I can't tell you which one that is, but that's Cole. Starting bids there is $100,000. Much love as always, and have a great day. Sorry, Cole.